Yo, starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and after waiting about half an hour for this first order to come in, we've got a McDonald's going 2 miles.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
Thank you.
Have a good morning.
You too. No tipperino. That's how you know it's gonna be a good day. Total for that was $4. Next order up, got a different McDonald's. This is going 3.5 miles.
EA pie?
Yes. Thank you. Okay then, the app just won't let me complete the order. It just keeps looping every time I try to submit the photo. There we go, finally. Total for that one was $7, and got the next order right away. This is Golden Corral going 6 miles. You know, I was just thinking to myself, is this place even open this early? Because I'm the only person in the parking lot right now. Yeah, we're a few hours early on that one. Got this right away. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $13 going 4 miles, 3 items. Alright, driving here and doing the shopping only took 10 minutes, so we're on good pace with this one. Got the next orders lined up right after this. We've got a Black Rock Coffee and Starbucks, $11 going 6 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Hi, I just had a pickup for Maria Jose.
I got you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Well, that was a nice stack. Both pickups were within a mile of each other, and both drop-offs were also within a mile of each other. Next up is a McDonald's going 3.5 miles. Total for that one was $8, pretty good. And got this next one right away. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $13 going 2 miles, 3 items.
You'll have to press the button. It's right here on this door, and then somebody will come and help you.
Apparently I think we're alcoholic, so.
Platinum vodka, $7.50. The 10X.
This one?
Yeah. Hello. Got your ID with you? Yeah, this place makes 0 sense. There's a 4-story building that's like different apartments, but they've got the same address. Like, this is where it sent me, right? Got a whole building here, but apparently it's all the way down there. Okay, yeah, I just saw the map of this place, and it's got the usual buildings labeled A, B, C, all the way through Z. Then we got AA, and BB is a giant 4-story building. Why? Why not? Next up is a Starbucks going less than a mile. I'd be surprised if there's a tip on this one. Cancel that. Got an even better order. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $21 going 7 miles, 8 items. Four of these. It has slowed down considerably ever since that last shop and deliver order. I've been sitting here for about 25 minutes, and I think I might just call it. Current time is 8:33. Current total is 85, and I think I might be waiting on one Uber tip, so I'll throw up the total whenever that comes in. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.